Here's how to scale a Facebook ad account to 6, 7, 8 figures for a brand. What I've done to take a business from $500 to $50,000 in daily spend. Obviously, we're using this one campaign setup, right? And we've got a control ad set of our best ads. And the other ones, we're doing dynamic creative tests because that's letting Facebook determine the best iteration. We use the 3-2-2 method to keep it as simple as possible. Now, dynamic creative tests, when we launch them, need to be strategic. They can appeal to different types of customer or overcome different objections or get different placements across Facebook's ecosystem. Maybe some ads are designed for the feed and some ads are designed for stories and reels. So that ultimately we can drive more scale and spend. Scale being a product of efficiency, scale of the output, not of the budget. And when we get a higher margin, we can improve the investment we're making into the system by adding more spend. Because ultimately we have ads that appeal to different types of people and new audiences. We can spend more. Scaling ad results is doing really one of two things. Either we can make our Facebook ad results more efficient, getting a lower CPA, which means that we're getting more results for the same investment, our dollars working harder. Or we can focus on spending more money to drive a higher volume of results, probably at a lower efficiency. Our primary effort should always be to stabilize and improve efficiency. In the single campaign where we're doing both testing and scaling because we respect the scientific method and we don't feel like spending so much money to create harm. And ultimately, the idea of letting the machine deliver the best result for us is a lot better than us being reactionary to data we don't necessarily trust just so that we can feel good about ourselves. Scaling becomes a byproduct of the cost averaging of our net performance, reducing our CPA over time. Basically, the better your efficiency is, the more sales you're making, meaning you're getting a higher and higher margin of revenue per day, which means you can invest more money to create more of those journeys that come in at a high margin.